Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to social science class. Okay, today we are going to discuss about chapter number 5. Sorry, basically it is 6 from political science textbook. Political parties. Political parties. In the last session, we discussed about what is a political party and why a political party is important in a democratic setup, democratic system, and discussed about the different types of democratical setups with the political parties, like a single party setup, bi-party democracy, okay, multi-party democracy, like that, various democratical setup with political parties. Okay, and today we are going to discuss the things directly from our textbook. Okay, so please turn on or turn. Okay, it's not turn on, right? Please open your textbook, all of you. Always used to say turn on your camera, turn on your mic. So turn on your textbook. Okay, please open your textbook, everyone. Open your textbook. Okay, so you can see chapter number 6 here. Okay, political parties. Why do we need political parties? Why do we need political parties? Okay, political parties are easily one of the most visible institution of a democracy in a democracy. So we know that a illiterate or uneducated person, he don't know how the government is functioning or how the government is making rules and regulations for the people. Clear or not? And what are the provisions that are included in the constitution? What are his rights? Okay, or how to lead a good life in the society? He or she doesn't know, don't know about such kind of things there. But they know the political party and their local leaders, right? Right? Yes or no? Yes or no? They know the political party leaders. They know the political parties and what a political party is doing in a society. They know it. Okay. Now, here it is. Meaning of a political party, the same page. Okay. Meaning of a political party. Here you can see, underline, a political party is a group of people. One more question. A political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. A group of people who came together for what? Who come together for what? To contest in elections, to participate in elections. Okay, after winning, they are able to hold power in the government. They are able to make governments. Clear or not? That's it, the meaning of the political party. One mark questions answer. What is the meaning of the political party? Answer is here. A political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. Hold power in the government. That is the meaning of the term. What is the question? Or the meaning of the term, what is a political party or what is a political party? Okay, they agree on some policies and programs for the society with a view to promote the collective good. So the political parties agreeing on some policies and programs. Each and every political party is functioning in a society with numerous policies and programs. They are agreeing upon that. Okay, so this policies and a program is not for any other things but to promote the social security or for the development of the society or for the good for each and everyone in the society. Okay, since there can be different views on what is good for all, okay, but there is a question existing there. What is good for everyone? Anyway, these political parties are standing to improve the development of the people. Okay, but a question is there, what is development, what is improvement, what is good for everyone? Okay, what is try to persuade people why their policies are better than others? So always these political parties are using different opportunities to show the people the importance of that party's policies and program and how that policies and programs are different from other political parties and how these programs and policies will help the people to develop. All the political parties are like that, right? Yes or no? So election manifestos, we know that at the time of election, these political parties leaders will come to our home and they will give us different types of notices, brochures, right? Yes or no? You ever observed that? Those brochures, what does it include? What are things that in a brochure by that providing by political party? What are the things will be what are the things we are able to find in election manifesto of a political party? Number of offers, number of programs and policies of that particular political party, right? Clear or not? You ever observe such kind of things? Hello? Yeah, so yes, 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 yes. All right. So we are able to find the differences between the policies and programs of different parties, right? Right or not? And each and every political party always trying to make the people to understand the difference of or differences between their party's agenda from the other party's agenda or program. Okay, right? Some parties are there, they are protecting socialism, secularism, and democracy. Some parties are standing for everyone in the society. Some parties are standing for the poor people in the society. Some parties are standing for protecting the religion. Okay, like that, various parties are there in the society, right? In a democracy, you are able to find a number of parties with the different programs and policies, and all these parties are trying to pursue the people to understand the meaning of that program and policy and grab the attention of the people through different programs. Okay, so come back. The parties reflect the parties, sorry, they seek to implement these policies by winning popular support through election. So always these parties are trying to implement their program and policies after winning the elections. After winning the election. Okay. So in 2014, a famous party that ruling the central government, they offered numerous things for the people. Okay. So give us a chance, we will deposit 15 lakh rupees in your account. Okay, you can purchase a petrol from the petrol pumps for rupees 50 per liter. Okay, next, what is that? What is that? All the black money from Switzerland, we will grab it. Okay, we will drag it from Switzerland to India. Clear? All the people, those who looted the money from the different banks and escaped to some other countries, we will bring them back. Nothing happened. Okay, these are some what you can say manifesto related or program and policy related facts I told you people there. Okay, clear or not? Understand? Other party they says that give us a chance. Every month the rupees 6,000 will be deposit in your bank account. Okay, per year 72,000 rupees freely. Okay, free of cost. You don't want to do anything. Simply sit at home. Every month we will deposit 6,000 rupees for everyone. Same as the Nyai program, it seems. Understand? So other political party, you sit at home. We will look after this pandemic. Okay, every month the free kitty will come to your home. Half kilogram of tur, okay, half a liter of oil, okay, 100 grams of chili powder, 100 grams of turmeric powder, 100 grams of coriander powder, plus one chicken masala. Okay, enjoy your life. You sit at home. Another party. Clear? Clear. Like that, number of such kind of things are there. But we want to understand one thing, sir. These are utopian. Okay. Never exist. Never exist. Okay. If it's existing, it is not that good for the people. Clear or not? Understand? Okay. So you want to understand the realities there. Okay. Clear? Before parties giving offers, you want to study about them. Clear or not? They are past. Clear? Their past, what they did already, what they have completed already. You have to observe it, you have to learn it. Then as per that, you have to act. Clear? So Melvin Martin, Aditya, Hansti, Fia, Johan, Nirupama, Lolita, Hadi, John Samuel, Emil Jacob, Aman Shakir, Lolita, turn on your cameras, please. Hope you have a good cameras. Okay, so please turn on that. If you are not using camera, the phone will forget about the camera. Okay. Finally, the phone will discard the camera from your mobile or from your laptop. It is not good. Okay. So you studied about the Charles Darwin's theory of evolution, right? Okay. So like that. If you are not using your camera, what will happen? The phone eventually will forget about the camera and it will discard it. Okay. So please use that once in a while. Okay. So almost all the cameras are on now. Then also some cameras are it is off. Some cameras will show only black screen. I don't know what kind of camera is that. Maybe a Sony camera or MA camera or Apple iPhone camera. No idea. It will always show a black screen. I don't know why it is so. Okay. Anyway, I want to complain that. So please turn on. So Ashik got a new headphone, I think so. Ashik? No, so old one. Okay, let it be. So Ashik is playing with that. Okay, so almost all the people are like that, right, Ashik?
Headphone is some loose, sir. That's it.
No, I can't hear anything. Sorry. Okay. Sorry, Ashik. Sorry. I can't hear. So you can send a message. Okay. No problem. I think it's some connectivity issue there. Let me check it later. Okay. So fine. Come back, guys. Okay. That's it. That's what the political party. Political party. Okay. So come back. So thus parties reflect fundamental political divisions in a society. Clear? So parties will discuss the basic things in a society, fundamental political division in a society. Parties are about the part of the society and this involve a partisanship. Underline that word, partisanship. What is that? Partisanship. So meaning is here, glossary. A person who is strongly committed to a party, group or faction. Partisanship is marked by the tendency to take a side and inability.
Sir,
Okay,
thank you.
we will join with one group of people and strongly do something against the other group. Clear or not? Okay, so in the last Brazil versus Argentina match, you observed that. Clear or not? What is that? Some people, they are the strong believers or strong followers of Brazilian team. Some are the supporters of Argentina team. Okay, they fought like anything. Okay, clear or not? Finally, Neymar and Messi, they hugged each other and game completed. So who you people are? Those who fought for these all things there. What kind of people they are? Are they morons? We cannot say morons there, right or not? So that's what a feeling to something. Okay, a feeling to join with. Melvin is still repairing something there, still repairing something there. Melvin, what happened? Where were you? You lost all your hair there because of the rainfall? Melvin, show your head, please. What happened? Okay, no need to show, Melvin. No need to show. Okay, let it simply. Okay, so what happened to you? You're so sad today. What happened? Your mother scolded you? Or father scolded? No, no, something like that. Okay, no need, Melvin. Okay, let it. You don't want to speak anything. I cannot. I am unable to hear anything. Okay, that's it. So listen carefully. So that's what. Okay, so we are standing with one group. Okay, for example, Mammootty Mohanlal fan fights are there, right? But even the Mammootty or Mohanlal, they don't know about these fans, these fan fights. Okay, let it be. But this is not like that. So clear political intentions will be there. All right. A group of people, they are the active members or followers of a political party, always using the opportunities to criticize the other parties. Criticize the other parties, right? Sometimes it will lead to political crimes. Clear? Okay, so we know that Kannur is famous for that in Kerala. Kannur. Okay, a particular district in Kerala, Kannur. What is the specialty of Kannur? Kannur. So we know that we are purchasing the soap boxes to store soaps, right? But they are purchasing that to make two bombs. Clear or not? Okay. So a small utensils is there means they will not each and every individual in Kannur. Don't think like that. A group of people are there. Okay, groups are there. Okay. So innocent people also are there in Kannur. Don't think that the people of Kannur, all those people are criminals or dangerous people or something like that. Not like that. Okay. Some people are there. They will spoil the name of the entire district there. Okay, clear? Kannur. Right. Okay, so that is notorious for these political crimes. Afsana is plaiting her hair, I think so. Afsana. Afsana of 10A. The things are clear or not? So we discussed here partisanship. Okay, what is partisanship? Join with one group and strongly opposing the other group. There is no chance to take a balanced decision. Clear or not? Such kind of people are not able to take a balanced decision there. Okay, they always stand with their leaders, their political party. Okay, if the leaders and political party doing any crime also, they will accept it. They will accept it. Example, one political party leader says that use cow's urine as the medicine for COVID-19. Okay, apply the cow dung and all over the body and stand under the hot sun for 2 hours while drinking the cow urine. That people will accept it, and they will do the same. Okay, and we know that it's what we can say. It is not correct in the modern society. Okay, that's it. That's it. Okay, so such kind of people will accept it 100%. They will do that. They don't know what they are doing actually. Clear on, like the number of people are there. Understand? Or one religious leader says that you do this, do that, and you will attain what? What? The paradise. You can go to the heaven, it seems there. These foolish people will do that. Okay, but we know that. Okay, so we are thinking with the rationality, we easily able to understand that these things are incorrect. Okay, it is not good. So some people are there, they are standing with one group and they are unable to take a balanced decision. Balanced decision. Always trying to reject others. Clear or not? Or creating problem for others, or trying to criticize others. Understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
This Melvin is not listening the class, doing something else there, Melvin.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What a hello, can you hear me?
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Melvin, please listen carefully. Just open your textbook. Hope these ideas are clear for you, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Anyway, Melvin is doing something there, and also his camera is on. I am appreciating his bravery. Okay.
Yes, sir, I am here.
Anyway, so he's not like others. He's brave. Okay. Yeah, textbook is there. I can see that. Okay. So he's not a coward to turn off his camera and doing something in the dark. Okay. He's a brave man. So we'll write stories or poems of the gallantry of Melvin Martin, the ballads. Sorry, Melvin. Okay, so nothing serious. Simply it out. Okay, so he at least he has courage to turn on his camera. They see cameras are off, and what then they are doing at their own place, I don't know that. No idea about it. Okay, simply the cameras are off. No sign of life. Okay, only the camera and the name is there on the board. It is like in a laboratory, we can see some specimens, right? Without any life. Only the name will be there. It is like that. Okay, fine. Fantastic. Okay. Rifa is speaking something to someone there. What is that, Visa? Sorry, not Visa, Rifa. Sorry, Rifa. It's a tongue slip. Okay. So I used to say Visa, but it became like Visa. Okay, whatever it is. Anyway, Rifa, what are you doing there? Rifa? 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 If you shout also, it is
Yes,
not possible.
sir.
I cannot. Okay, let it be. So come back. So people, so make Melvin Martin as a model. So please turn on your cameras. Okay, if you are brave enough to do so, do that. Okay, come on fast. Anjita Benny, what is going on? Arjun is enjoying the rain outside. No rain, no rain. Right? Arjun, is it raining there?
Yes.
Okay, let it be. Fine, come back, guys. Come back, everyone. Okay, here we are. Partisanship. So I hope this idea is clear for you people, right? Partisanship. So join with one group or a faction and strongly criticizing the other group, and they are unable to take a balanced viewpoint. There's a party is known by which parties stand for, which policies it support, and whose interest is uphold. A political party has three components. Okay, so a political party has how many components? Three components are there for a political party. They are the leaders, the people, those who flying in airplanes and helicopters from one place to one place. They are using bulletproof cars. Clear? Surrounded by number of followers. Okay, is that category security will be there? Such kind of people there, right? The people, the commandos with guns. Okay, they are the leaders. They are the leaders. Simply, you are able to understand that. No other description is necessary, right? Clear or not? The leaders, nothing but the people, those who are able to take decisions in a political party, formulate policies and programs for a political party. They are the leaders. So if you are observing, so we are able to find that Anne Mary is starting yawning there. What happened, Anne Mary? You all will escape, Anne Mary. Okay, so come back. What I told? So political science. Okay, the weather is not that good, right? Not that in the good sense, not that good for listening something, learning something. Adidev Shankar also starts sleeping there. Okay, so listen carefully. No, Adidev is Alive. Okay, fine. So listen carefully. So what I told you people, what I told Anmeri, no idea, right? The leaders. Basically, they are or they will come from a single family, same family, right? Same family. Hmm? For example, we can take a family in India, related with the political party called the Congress Party. Hmm? Motilal Nehru, not Rahul Gandhi, Savio. Before him, number of other people are from the same family. Motilal Nehru, okay. His son Jawaharlal Nehru, his daughter Indira Gandhi, and her son Rajiv Gandhi. Rajiv Gandhi's wife Sonia Gandhi. Sonia Gandhi's and Rajiv Gandhi's son Rahul Gandhi, and his sister Priyanka Vadera. This is the hierarchy, right or not? Clear or not? And the irony is they don't have any relation with Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, they are from which family? They are from Nehru family, but not Gandhi family, right? Okay, we don't know about Mahatma Gandhi and his family and what they are doing today, no idea. So it's for example, I told. For example, I told. Okay, so coming to other states, except Kerala, and Kerala also is there. Okay, is there? Such kind of relations are there, but it is very minimum. Okay, very minimal. So Kerala also in film industry also we are unable to find such kind of things there, right? Okay, but other states in film industry also, father, son, grandchild, like that, all people are there in the film industry, right or not? Or in the politics. They will not give chances for any other individuals. Clear? It is very difficult for another individual to establish a place in politics and in the film industry also. Okay, so please understand that. Okay. So there are three components: the leaders, the active members, and finally it is the followers. Finally, it is the followers. Who are the active members? Active members, they are actively
Those who
participating in the
participate.
activity of that particular political party. Okay. What type of activity? Maybe a protest movement. Okay. Maybe different programs. So we know that a number of political parties are in Kerala. They're doing number of activities. They're supporting the common people. Example, a political organization called DYFI. Okay, clear? International Youth Congress. That is youth organizations. Okay, they are providing food for the people in medical colleges. Clear? Okay, midday they will provide food, meal. Okay, they will vaccinate. I will try to help the people to get the vaccine. Okay, providing gadgets for the poor people. I mean, mobile phones, equipments for education. Okay, clear or not? They're always supporting the people. So some this kind of organizations are there, and they'll help the patients to reach the hospital. Okay, so it's a hard time, right? So we need such kind of people and their support. Basically, the political parties, organization, youth organizations. Okay. Now, the important question for us, what are the functions of a political party? What are the functions of a political party?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so answer also is there in the textbook only. So number of points are there, the functions of a political party. Okay, so here, what does a political party do? Basically, political parties fill political offices and exercise political power. So fill political offices in the sense position in the government. Okay, different ministers. Okay, number of other political institutions are there. Okay, they fill the positions in those institutions. Parties do so by performing a series of functions. Okay, so political parties have or they have to perform number of functions. What are they? What are the different functions of a political party? First of all, parties contest in elections. Underline that. The first point, the first function of a political party, it contests in elections. Okay, in most democracies, elections are fought mainly among the candidates put up by political parties. So each and every election, we are able to see only that, right? What is that? Parties. Okay, they will give chances for number of candidates, and that candidates are fighting for the power. All right. Okay, or for get more votes. Parties select their candidates in different ways. So parties using different techniques to select their candidates In some countries, such as the United States of America, members and supporters of a party choose its candidates, right? So, parties placing their candidates in the election, okay, then what method the parties use to select the candidates? For example, in United States of America, the candidate is selected by the active members of that particular political party. Clear? Okay, active members of that particular political party. Clear or not? So the party members have the power to select their candidate. Okay, now more and more countries are following this method. In other countries like India, top party leaders choose candidates for contesting in elections. Clear? Clear? Okay, US, who will choose the candidate? The party members will choose the candidate. But in India, the system is different. Who will select the candidate? The party leader will select. Okay, so that's what in India you can see that one leader comes. Number of these active members will surround him, right? Right? Okay, with a close-up smile, and they will fight to carry the briefcase of the leader. Okay, make a seat for the leader, make a way for the leader, like that. Various activities are there. Nothing but all these dramas only to get a seat in the next election. Clear? Understand? So they always want to be in limelight. They always wanted to show something to the leader that they are capable to participate in the election. Clear? So in USA, the party members will select the candidates, but in India, the top party leader will select the candidates. That is the difference. Okay, next one. So hope these ideas are clear for you people, right? Okay. So listen carefully. There are numerous cameras are off again. I'm telling you people to turn on the cameras, right? Okay. So far we discussed about what is a political party. What is a political party? And what are the components of a political party? Okay. What are the components of a political party? So Arjun of 10, can you tell me what are the components of a political party?
Leader.
Components of a political party. What are three components are there? What are they?
Leader of a
Leader,
political party.
Okay, Melvin. Melvin's trying to speak
Leader of
something.
a political
Hello?
party.
Okay, fine.
Active
So it is
members and
the
followers.
leaders. Yeah, Arjun got it. Active members and the followers. All right. Okay, the leaders, active members, and the followers are the three components of a political party. So, what is the meaning of a political party, Adidev? Meaning of a political party. I already told you to mark that answer in the textbook. Okay, it's a 1-mark answer. Meaning of a political party. So you marked it, I think. So a political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. Correct, Savio. Okay, so that's it. A political party. Okay, so group of people. The basic aim is to participate in election and hold power in the government, or to make government. Make a government. Clear? Clear or not? Okay. Next, we discussed about the components of the political party, the leaders, the active members, and the followers. Okay. Then the term partisanship. Okay. A person who is strongly committed to a party, that also a 1-mark answer. Mark in the textbook. Okay. Partisan. A person who is strongly committed to a party, group, or faction. Partisanship is marked by a tendency to take a side and inability to take a balanced view on an issue. Okay, so such kind of people, they are unable to take a balanced view. Okay, there is no balanced view for such kind of people there. They'll strongly believe related with their party's policies and programs. So almost all the political parties have their own agendas, their own programs, their own policies. Clear? And always they are pursuing the people to understand the agenda or programs of the political party, and how these agendas, how these programs and policies are different from other parties, other parties. Clear? Clear or not? That's what we discussed so far. Clear? So different political parties in India, they have different programs are there, different policies are there. Okay, so for example, Indian National Congress is termed as a party with a centralistic viewpoint. What is that? Centralistic viewpoint, which means, what is a centralist viewpoint? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine. So centralistic viewpoint in the sense that party is standing not only for the poor, okay, but for the rich also. Right? Clear or not? Which means it will formulate the programs and policies for the entire development of the society. Clear? Clear or not? Entire development of the society. Okay. The same time, it will not show any particular allegiance, okay, or connection with any group of the people in the society. So Congress party welcome all the religion to that party. Okay. It is not the party who supports any particular religion or oppose any religion. Clear? Understand? It is the party for the workers and it is the party for the industrialists. Clear? So that's it, the Congress party, centralistic viewpoint. Coming to the Communist Party of India, Marxist or Communist Party of India, their viewpoint is nothing but they are always trying to stand with the poor people. They want to develop the poor people. They are always talking to the development of the proletarians or the working class people. Listen carefully. What is that? Proletarians or the working class people, the Communist Party. Okay, basically they want the development of the downtrodden, economically and socially backward people, That's what the idea of or agenda or policy or program of a Communist Party of India, Marxist. Clear? Rifa, serious discussion is going on there, right? Rifa?
No,
So
sir.
Lolita, John Samuel, Surya, Haya, Aman Shakir, Vishnu Vivi, Emil Jacob, turn on your cameras, please. If you are facing any difficulty, please inform me. Okay. Make sure your cameras are turned on. Okay. So all of you please do that. So next one, remember. So I told about the two political parties. One is Congress Party, the other is the Communist Party of India, Marxist. Communist Party of India, Marxist. Okay. So one party is a centralistic party. Okay. Not a capitalist one, not a socialist one. But coming to the Communist Party, it is a socialist one. It wants the development of the downtrodden people, economically or socially backward people's development is needed. That's what the idea of this Communist Party. Next, another party that's called the BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party in India, the ruling party. Clear or not? Okay. Ruling, it is not a single party, it's a coalition government. Okay. It is the leader of that or head of that particular coalition, the BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party. And their agenda is termed as a Hindutva and protecting the ancient tradition of the country. That's what the agenda of that party. So numerous people will support that, number of people will oppose that. Okay. Clear or not? Is that clear or not? So these
Yes,
are the
sir.
policies and programs of different political parties. For example, I told this. Okay, you want to understand the differences between the parties. So all parties are not equal. Clear? Clear or not? All parties are different, or almost all the parties are different in its agenda, in its program, and in its policies. Okay, people are free to choose them. People are free to choose them. Clear? What the people need, they can choose. They can choose. Okay, clear or not? So now we are here at the functions of the political party. The first function is contest in election, right? Okay, underline that. Functions of political parties. The first function is a contest election. Contest election. So we know that the different political parties will put candidates from their party, clear, to contest in election. Okay. In different countries, the parties are using different techniques to select their candidates. Okay. So remember, so basically we know that in election, we are able to find a number of candidates they are contesting in the election. They are from different political parties. So different countries using different techniques to select their candidates. Okay. For example, in America, United States of America, the party members, the active members of particular political party will select their candidates. Clear? So all the party members have a great say in choosing the or selecting the candidate for the election. But coming to India, the situation is entirely different. In India, what is that? What is that? It is not the party members, but the party leaders. They will select the candidates. Okay, they will select the candidates. It is the difference. Okay, so basic difference I told, right? Either clear or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why it is so? Indian democratic setup is basically it is a multi-party democratical one. Multi-party democratical one. And family hierarchy. That problem also is existing in the Indian politics. So we will discuss that in the coming classes. So coming to the second function of a political party. What is that? Parties put forward different policies and programs. I already told you that some programs and policy, we can accept it. Okay, but sometimes people will accept, people will very much interested in that, but the parties will fail to do that. Okay, fail to do that. Clear. So in the last election, the state legislative election of Kerala, the Congress party came forward with a program. Clear or not? This time that the Nyay program, Nyay. Okay, justice for everyone. Clear or not? Huh? Clear or not? What do you mean Nyay? Everyone has a right to lead a good life in the society, right? So the political party called Congress and UDF, they in their election manifesto, they marked this. They added this program. What is that? 6,000 rupees every month. In 1 year, nearly 72,000 rupees. Not the political party. If they are able to make the government, they will donate that or they will provide that to the poor people. Okay. They will deposit that money in the accounts of the poor people or poorer section or downtrodden people in the society. Nyay program. Understand? Clear. But what happened? People not accepted that. Clear? Clear? So the Communist Party of Marxist, they already for the 1 year of pandemic, they supported the people by providing food grain, grocery products, medical assistance, okay, or numerous other activities. Clear? Remember one thing, I am not the supporter of the Communist Party and I am not the person those who supporting or opposing the Congress Party. This is a political sense class. Okay, we are analyzing the situations. You have to take the things in that sense. Clear or not? Don't think that Sir the supporter of Congress Party, so he says like that. Sir is a supporter of BJP Party, Sir is the opposer of Communist Party or something like that. I'm not. Okay, clear or not? Okay, we are not going to oppose or support the political parties here. Okay, we are analyzing the situations through various instances there, right? Okay, that's what happened. Okay, through the newspaper reports, magazine reports, we are coming to these conclusions there, right? We are not making, or myself, I'm not making my own, what you can say, conclusions here, right? Understanding or not? So please take that in that sense. So you people are coming from different families, different socio-economical, political backgrounds are there for you people. So please understand these things in that that way. Okay. Understand, and don't send me someone to beat me, harass me, kill me or something like that. Okay, understand? So remembering all these things, okay, then only we are able to understand the situations there. Okay, so fine. So these are the things that are here basically. The second function of the political party. Okay, so parties put forward different policies and programs and the voters choose from them. Okay, so Congress Party came with the Nyay program, Communist Party came with a number of other programs. Okay, free vaccination. That's what the offer of Communist Party, the free vaccination. Okay, Afsana got a free vaccine, I think Afsana. Afsana is smiling at that, free vaccination. Afsana? Afsana? There's a Malayalam movie, you know that, right? Samsaram Arogyathinu Hainikaram. You heard about that? Do you know that? Okay, Afsana. Smoking kills. Liquor kills. So this also will kill. Okay, let it be. So it's the time to wind up the session. So second function, we will discuss in the next session. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Thank you for your cooperation. Okay, I already told you that the people, those who are attending in the essay writing competition, please submit your entries on or before 16th of this month. Okay, thank you.